In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a Google Analytics account. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account and that you have permission to manage the Analytics account you want to remove. Also, take a moment to confirm you are deleting the right one, because removing an Analytics account affects the data and access tied to that account. If there is anything you might need later, such as reports or settings, it is a good idea to review those first. To get started, go to Google Analytics and land on the Analytics homepage. This is the main dashboard where you can see an overview of activity and quickly navigate to other areas. Next, look toward the top left area of the Analytics interface. Click the Account and Property selector, which is the highlighted area that shows what you are currently viewing. This opens the drop-down where you can confirm you are working in the correct Analytics account. If you manage more than one account, this is an important checkpoint. Select the account you want to delete and make sure it is the right one before continuing. Once you are in the correct account, head to the admin area and click on Account Details. This is where Google Analytics stores the settings for the entire account, not just a single property. Since you are deleting the account itself, you need to be in the account level settings, not property or data stream settings. Inside Account Details, find the option labeled Move to Trash Can. Click it to begin the deletion process. Google uses the trash system to help prevent accidental removals, so this is the official way to start deleting an account. After you click Move to Trash Can, you will be taken to a confirmation screen. Carefully read what is on the page so you understand what will happen next. When you are ready to proceed, click the button labeled Trash Account. This final click sends the Google Analytics account to the trash. At this point, the account is no longer active in the normal view. If you need to verify that it worked, you can go back to your account selector and confirm the account is no longer available as an active account. That covers everything you need to know.